One of the hardest things about investing is separating the headlines from what actually matters. Last week gave us another example of that. While there was no shortage of news, the market spent less time reacting to individual headlines and more time evaluating the broader direction of the economy. By week's end, the results were encouraging. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed roughly 2% to another record close, while the S&P 500 gained about 1.8%, and the Nasdaq added approximately 2.1%. The biggest catalyst was Thursday's employment report. The economy added 57,000 jobs in June, well below expectations, but the unemployment rate edged down to 4.2%. Rather than signaling a sharp slowdown, the report suggested the labor market is gradually cooling, which supports the view that the Federal Reserve can continue taking a measured approach with interest rates. Outside the economic data, developments overseas also remained in focus. Following renewed tensions around the Strait of Hormuz, the United States and Iran agreed to halt the recent fighting and resume negotiations aimed at reaching a longer-term agreement. While the situation is far from resolved, the reduction in immediate geopolitical risk helped calm concerns surrounding global energy supplies and oil prices. Looking ahead, this week should offer a clearer picture of where monetary policy may be headed. The Federal Reserve will release the minutes from its June meeting on Wednesday, giving markets additional insight into policymakers' thinking on inflation and interest rates. We'll also begin to see the first wave of second quarter earnings, which will shift attention back towards corporate fundamentals and the health of the U.S. economy. History has shown that the greatest opportunities rarely arrive with complete certainty. They often emerge when the outlook feels mixed and the path ahead is less than obvious. That's why our focus remains on building resilient financial plans designed to weather changing conditions rather than reacting to each new headline. While the news will continue to evolve, the principles of thoughtful planning and long-term investing remain remarkably consistent. As always, if you have any questions about your portfolio or your financial plan, please don't hesitate to reach out. We sincerely appreciate the opportunity to be part of your financial journey and wish you a wonderful week ahead.